Welcome to my 1-hour crash course on virtualization. Now, I know you might be tempted to skip over this introduction, but stick with me for a moment while I mention some important resources that can really help you succeed. And I promise the whole process will take less than 2 minutes. My name is Rick Creasy, and I've been a VMware certified instructor for years. I've taught virtualization to thousands of students, and I'm also the primary author for trainertests.com. And as a longtime instructor, I can tell you that hands-on experience is very important. So when you're done with this course, visit the free labs at hol.vmware.com. Microsoft also has free hands-on labs. Just Google Microsoft Hyper-V Labs, and the entry will come right up. Finally, I want to encourage you to ask me questions. I want you to get the best possible experience from this class. So if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. I'm happy to be along with you for this journey, and I want to welcome you to connect with me on LinkedIn. If you connect with me, I'll send you coupon codes for big discounts on all the rest of my courses. And if there's anything I can do to improve this course, please let me know. I strive to get all perfect review scores. So if there's something that's lacking or something that I can do to improve your experience, please don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks, and enjoy learning about virtualization.